Okay, guys, so today we're going to be talking about the introduction to trigonometry. So, what is trigonometry? Basically, if you have a right triangle, we're going to make this a right triangle. Here, a right triangle, and you are giving, let's just say, a random length. We're going to say 10, and you want to find this length, x. Well, you can't use Pythagoras theorem since you need to know two sides to figure out the unknown side of Pythagoras theorem. So, we're going to be using something called trigonometry. So in trigonometry, they'll also give you another angle right here, which will be very useful because give you, let's just say this is 35 degrees, and whatever direction this triangle is pointing in is the opposite side. This is obviously the hypotenuse, and the other side, the second longest, is called the adjacent. So what are the different types of trigonometry basically? We have sine, cosine, and tangents. So in order to calculate for them, for the given side, you have to either use sine, cos, or tan. So for sine, it's opposite by hypotenuse. For cos, it's adjacent by hypotenuse. And tan, it's opposite by adjacent. Okay, so for this specific example, you can see we have the adjacent side, so it cannot be sine anymore. It's either cos or tan, and the only other given side the the opposite side. So tan has supposed to have an opposite adjacent side, so it's tan. So I'm gonna say tan, and then put the angle measure, which in this case is 35. Tan 35 is equal to O by A, so x by 10. And you want to get the x by itself. To find x, you take the 10 to this side, and you get 10 multiplied by 10 35 equals x. And we can pull up the calculator actually right now, so let's do that. Calculator, trigonometry. So you could say tan. Actually, there are better ways. But we could say 10 multiplied by tan 7.0. So tan 35 is equal to x by 10. You took the 10 to the other side, you get 10 is equal to tan 35, you get x equal to about 7. X around 7. Okay, we'll do one more example. Okay, so we'll take a triangle. Good, with the angle here. Let's just say this is 40 degrees. Right angle, and let's just say we got to find the hypotenuse, but we're given just say this side. If we're given this side, we can find. So this is opposite. We are not finding for the opposite, so it can't be sine or tangent. I mean, we only know that there is an hypotenuse and adjacent now, which is only one thing, and that's cos. So you have to use cos. What's cos? The angle measure 40 equal to a by h. A we don't a is 5, so 5 by h is x. You're going to take the so you get x is equal to x is equal to 5 by cos 40. Okay, you could say you go to the find the so it's 6.5. So we're going on to the nearest. So we can say x. We're going on to the nearest 10. X is about 6.5, and you can let's see if that's correct. We're trying to find out what cos 40. So 6.5. If this is correct, we could do. We could see this. Okay, so this is correct. We can. So if this is 6.5, we can check this is correct by finding the opposite. In this case, you can use Pythagoras. You can use Pythagoras theorem, say 6.5, the whole square. You could do minus 5 square equals O square. You can do that, check it, see if it's correct. I mean, we don't have time for that right now, so we're not going to check it. Okay, let's do one more example to wrap it up for sine. Okay, so let's do a triangle where they'll say this is 60 degrees, no, 65 degrees, and this will be 90, and this is opposite, so we're going to see we define, so we're going to say this is 20, let's just say this is 10, and this is x. So I'm going to point this here, and we're going to see this is opposite, and opposite is the hypotenuse, since it's opposite to 90-degree angle, so it's hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse is sine. So we're going to say sine by the angle, which is 65. Let's go sine is equal to opposite over this. What's opposite? 10. This is opposite over hypotenuse, sorry. X. You'll take the things, so you get x equal to 10 by sine 65. It's 10 divided by sine 65. Say that's 11. So it's about x is about 11. It's about 11. So yeah, that's the hypotenuse. Okay, that really wraps up the video. If you remember that sine is opposite by hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent by hypotenuse, and tangent is equal to um, O by A, then I think you should be okay. The point of this unit is to basically know how to work the calculator. If you know how to work the calculator, this unit should be really easy. Okay, anyways, bye.